Hey, what's up guys, TechTime here, and I am back again with a brand new video. So before I begin this video, you know how we do it on this channel. I want to thank you all so much for watching this one. If you enjoy my content, please leave a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. We're about to hit 8,000 subscribers, which means we're that much closer to that 10,000 subscriber mark point. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Alcatel One X Evolve. And this is a sub $100 phone. Not a lot of expectations, but I know exactly who this phone is supposed to target. So I'll get into that at the end of the video. So yeah, let's begin. So let's take a look at the specs of the phone. So this does have a 5.34. I mean, they really were specific with this. I've never seen this two decimal points when they talk about displays, but so this is a 5.34 FWVGA display, which means it's 480p. So display already questionable. So an 8 megapixel rear camera with LED flash, a 5 megapixel front facing camera, 16 gigabytes of storage, 2 gigabytes of RAM, and a 1.1 gigahertz quad core processor. So really not really good spec, but like I said, I'm gonna tell you guys exactly who this phone is targeted towards. So let's go ahead and unbox it real quick. Come on, man. Okay. Take out the phone. Really? Come on, you can't. Alright. We'll do it this way then. Alright. Ooh. Okay, so this phone actually has a really nice, cool color to it. But we'll take a look at it in a second. Let's see what else comes in the box. So, SIM card, user manual, let me see. Okay, micro USB. I kind of expected that. So yeah, micro USB, your wall adapter, and that's really it. So let's put all this to the side. So here it is, here's the design itself. Let me power it on and we'll talk about it. So you do have this, like I said, a 5.34 inch display, and it is 480p, so not really high expectations there, but it does support the 18:9 aspect ratio of 2018 flagships, so that's pretty cool. And surprisingly, I really didn't expect that, but yeah, we have it. Okay, so on the bottom you do have your bottom facing speakers, a micro USB connector, and here's your 8 megapixel with the LED flash. This is the power and the volume up and down, and they're not really tactile, but the power does have a kind of texture, so you can tell them apart. So here it is. Now it's set up and it's complete. So let's quickly walk through the interface. Now this does not really support pure stock Android, but that's just what you get with an Alcatel phone. So the interface is decently smooth. It's not really fast, and it does lag from time to time. And like I said, I mean, I haven't really spent that much time with this phone to begin with. So let's do a quick day-to-day speed test and see how it performs in day tasks. So the phone app, for example, 3, 2, 1. Okay, slow. The messaging app, 3, 2, 1. Also slow. So let's test out the browser, so Google Chrome. Okay, so it may not be really the best experience, but it definitely will get the job done. Now, as I mentioned, I really don't want to make this video too long, so as I mentioned before, one of the things that I like about this phone is actually its design. Yeah, it's made out of plastic, but this bag actually looks really cool in my opinion. So it has this sandstone material, so it does provide a really nice grip. And the sides are curved for also a better grip, but throughout it is made out of plastic, and it still has the 18:9 aspect ratio. So there's that for you. So if you want to watch media, it will be decent. It won't really be an amazing experience since this is a low resolution panel. And it's not that good. It doesn't really get that bright. The colors are washed out, but hey, that's just what you get for this type of money. So let's open up the YouTube app and test out the speaker real quick. Okay. So not good of a speaker either, but here's the thing though, you still retain a headphone jack at the top, so you got that. Okay, so like I said in the beginning of the video, who's this phone targeted for? So really, in my opinion, I haven't really done a review on it. Like I said, this is just an unboxing and impressions. If you guys want to see a review on it, let me know, I'll make it happen. So really the main audience behind this phone is basically kids. So for parents that are trying to get their kid their first smartphone but really don't want to spend a lot of money, this is a decent option. It will get the job done. Yeah, it won't be really the best phone out there, but it will definitely get the job done. Also, this could be like a second phone for emergencies. So for example, you can have it with you if you break your flagship phone, if you mess up your really good iPhone XS or your Samsung Galaxy Note 9 or your Pixel XL, whatever. So this could be a nice backup option. But yeah, that's really it. So I want to thank you all so much for watching this one. If you enjoy my videos, please leave a thumbs up. Again, we're that closer to that 10,000 subscriber mark point. So I really do greatly appreciate everyone for their support. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.